morning. So today's job is we're going to get the lambs up and we're going to do a health check. Make sure everyone's doing well in this beautiful autumnal weather. And we're going to quite a fun job today, which is we are going to choose our replacement. So every year we rotate about 50 sheep in the flock. We're a closed flock, so that means we don't buy in ewes and stock, we breed our own, so that way we're completely in control of any disease or infections that could potentially move on to the farm. So today we choose our favourite looking sheep. Lots of people do it different ways. People will follow a twin genetic, some people will literally choose the best looking. Lots of old school farmers will just, the replacements are the ones at the end of the year that they don't sell. So we'll be doing that today, and we're going to use sheepdogs to get some sheep up, get a nice bit of footage in the sunshine, and I'll catch you later on back up the farm. Okay, see you later.
He was a banker down in Georgia, wore a tie every day, but the city of life got heavy, and the music led the way. Backed up his old guitar, left the high-rise behind.
Let's go into this little field first. There's a little paddock up here, just to make sure no one's in there. We have some customers up the top. Up behind! Up behind!
Standing out in the crowd, from the city lights to the rolling green, they're all chasing country dreams. She was a singer in the city, Broadway bright as day, but the song she sang felt empty in a world so far away.
This was yesterday's job. Ash tree down with dieback and just cut it out now. Clearing away brush and that ready for splitting. Okay, back to the sheep.
Never looking back, trading in the fast lane for a slower count of two, finding out the truth beneath the southern moon. They're chasing country dreams where the heart beats loud, singing about their story, standing out in the crowd. From the city lights to the rolling green, they're all chasing country dreams. There's a DJ from Miami spinning country hits, a rancher from Ireland writing songs that fit, a poet from Chicago with a southern drawl. They're all chasing something real, something worth it all. They're chasing country dreams down the dirt road tracks, leaving all they know, never looking back, trading in the fast lane for a slower count of two, finding out the truth beneath the southern moon. They're chasing country dreams where the heart beats loud, singing about their story, standing out in the crowd. From the city lights to the rolling green, they're all chasing country dreams. Yeah, they're all chasing country dreams, finding out what country really means. From the bright city lights to the small town scenes, they're all chasing country dreams.
Who have you got there, Jade?
99. Yeah.
That's got to be one of the pets, isn't it? Hello. Should we turn her into one of the replacements, or?
Yeah, put her in there. Keep her safe.
She said no.
She didn't. Yeah.
Nah.
She's lots of fun.
Nah.
What's she doing? Yeah.
Here we go, come on. Hold that, Jade. Can you hold the lane, love? I think they're going that way. That's it. Thank you. Yeah. We're just going to hold them in the top yard for now. Let them relax up there on the dry. Good girls. You laughing at?
That one didn't see the herd, he just walked straight into it.
You did. Come here. Good girl. Good girl.